Hello and welcome. Today we'll learn about creating Learning Center categories and items. Categories act like folders that organize individual Learning Center pages. We include some Microsoft examples to help you get started, but feel free to modify or remove them as needed. To get started, log into your Desk Director admin console, navigate to the Portal section, and click on Learning Center. To add a new category, click the Add Category button, enter a name for the category that you want your clients to see, and then click Create. This will add the new category to your Learning Center. To add one or more items to a category, first open the category you want to add items to, and then click on the Items tab. This tab displays all the learning items within the current category. To add an item, click Add Learning to open the new item screen, then fill in the required information. To edit an item, click on the name of the learning item. This will take you to a screen where you can edit the details. To delete an item, click Delete on the Edit Item screen. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click OK. To control who can view the Learning Center, click on the Filters tab. Here, you can specify which companies or contacts can access the content. Thank you for watching our guide to help you create Learning Center categories and items. See you next time.